Hi, good morning dear 9th class students. How are you all? Hoping everyone good and enjoying yourself. Today in this video we are going to learn about vocabulary which we have in our first unit. Let us see here. First unit vocabulary. First question. Pick the correct meaning of the words underlined below. Here we have 6 questions and in every question there is a one word underlined and given 3 options for each question. And what we have to do now, we should find out the correct similar meaning of the underlined word in a sentence. Okay, let us now. First question. The house was not electrified. The house was not electrified. Of course, in a story we listened the sentence by the doctor. So basically when he returned his home after he completed his dinner in the restaurant, so he is discussing about this point also. The house was not electrified because that was a small rented room. Of course we know that. Okay. So what is the right meaning, similar meaning of this? The house was not electrified. Let us find out the right meaning of these 3 options. First one, there was no electricity in the house. Okay. B, the house was not away from the electricity board. Electricity board. Option C, the house was not lit up. So which is the right option, my dear students? Yes, you are right. The house was not electrified means there was no electricity in the house. Already we discussed that point in a lesson. There is no electrical connection. So there is no power connection in the home. So that's why the house was not electrified. Okay, I choose an option A. Okay, next. Second question. The endings were mid-way. So the word mid-way underlined here. So already we discussed it about. Because the doctor started a medical practice in his rented room. So because of that small village, so he is earning mid-way. So what mid-way means? Very high, very small or mid. So very small. Small earnings. Already we discussed that point also in our story. Next, third question. I also possessed one solitary black coat. The word solitary underlined here. So what is the meaning of that? Single, unique, expansive. So unfortunately, undoubtedly, single is the similar meaning of solitary. Already the word meaning we learned in a glossary. So that is the thing. Next, fourth question. I made another earth-shaking decision. So this is also doctor's expression. So whenever he is looking his reflection into the mirror, he is taking some decisions about himself. So in the same manner at that time, while he is looking his reflection into the mirror, he took one earth-shaking decision. So earth-shaking means, what is the meaning of that word? Valuable, dangerous, important. Yes, you are right. Important decision. Next. Fifth question. The room was surrounded by darkness. The word surrounded underlined here. What is the meaning of that? Full of, covered, encircled. Encircled, yes. So the word meaning is full of. Next. Sixth question. Some thief had removed most of my things. So it is also doctor expression. So after he ran and came back again his room along with his friends. So when he looked first his room, so some belongings someone stolen in his room. So after watching that, he said, some thief had removed most of my things. So after this, there is a joke also. What is that? He left only one waistcoat. So because already we know what happened in the story. So removed meaning damaged, destroyed, stolen. Of course, removed means stolen. Okay, so these are the words meanings we completed now. We completed first Roman now. Okay, now we are going to discuss about second Roman in the vocabulary. Let us see here. Read the following sentences from the text and notice the underlined words. Here he given a textbook sentence and he underlined Third. What is that? Third. So we have to notice that. Why he underlined third in the sentence. Let us see here. Let me read this. Suddenly there came a dull thud as if a rubber tube had fallen to the ground. Of course, while the doctor reading Materia Medica, at that time suddenly a snake fallen on him like a rubber tube. So how rubber tube fallen on the ground? In the same way, similarly that happened with the snake. The doctor got experience with the snake like that. So the word thud underlined here. Thud means a low dull sound. Thud means a low dull sound. A low dull sound. So that please understand very carefully. Now here is a list of words. So he given a list of words related to sounds. So these words are related to sounds. These words are related to sounds. And what we have to do now? Say what these words means. So what is the meaning of these words? We have to write now. So refer to your dictionary. So if you don't know, better to go with the dictionary. So now we have to write these words sound meaning in English. Okay. So if you don't know these words meanings, better to go with the dictionary. So dictionary also will help you to write these word sounds in English. Okay. Now I am going to write. Just watch and enjoy.